Okay, so interesting names coming in there. In fact, staying with the metal pack, the government's divestment drive could actually gather pace with an OFS and Hind Zinc that is likely within the next 2 weeks. My colleague Shrimi joins us with more details. In fact, on the back of this news as well, you're seeing the stock which is cracking in trade 1.5% up, it's given up those gains from the day's highest levels. Shrimi joins us with all the details. Shrimi, over to you. What are you picking up?
Yeah, that's right. The government is looking to launch an OFS in Hindustan Zinc soon, with plan to sell around 1.5 to 2% stake in the company, as per the highly placed sources. In fact, the sale could perhaps fetch government around 4,000 to 5,000 crore, as per their internal assessment in the current, market cap. Now, transaction appears to be moving closer to the launch stage, as Hindustan Zinc top officials met Deepam recently to discuss the proposal, as per the source pointing out. But do note that the government currently holds 27.92%, almost 28% stake in Hindustan Zinc, while majority is with Vedanta around 60.71%. This is the second important stake sale in Hindustan Zinc after it was done in 2024, which almost 2 years ago, and fetched government around 3,500 crore at that point. Now, the proposed OFS is also important from the context that the government looks to maintain the momentum in the disinvestment, aligning with the Deepam internal strategy to raise around 20,000 crore every quarter through stake sales. So far, disinvestment receipts have reached 52,000 odd crore against the government full target of 80,000 crore for this fiscal, which also mean that government already achieved around 66% of their annual target. Now, Hindustan Zinc OFS of this size would definitely give government another sizable chunk of receipts and help keep the disinvestment pipeline moving as it works towards the full year target.